Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most insane Mustangs to ever hit the streets, or should I say the track, the Ford Mustang GTD. This beast is on a whole new level, packing a mind-blowing 815 horsepower from a supercharged V8 and a suspension setup that's just as impressive. It's like Ford decided to take a race car, put a license plate on it, and say, have fun. But make no mistake, this isn't just about showing off, it's about making history. Ford's goal with the GTD isn't just to create a fast car, they want to break records. Specifically, they've set their sights on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, aiming for a sub 7-minute lap time. For those of you who don't know, the Nürburgring is one of the toughest, most legendary racetracks in the world, and breaking 7 minutes there is like earning a gold medal in the Olympics of motorsports. It's no small feat, and no American car has ever done it before. That's what makes this mission even more exciting. Now, while we don't have confirmation yet if the GTD has hit that mark, Ford just dropped a teaser video on YouTube and things are heating up. The 48-second clip gives us some killer shots of the GTD tearing up the Nürburgring, or as it's famously known, the Green Hill. And let me tell you, this thing looks like it was built to dominate every twist and turn of that 12.94-mile track. The video is short, but gives us a glimpse of the raw power and precision this car brings. In the teaser, a member of the Ford performance team says something that really stands out. There's no North American manufacturer that has done a sub 7-minute lap yet. That's a bold statement, but the GTD might just be the car to pull it off. Another team member chimes in with a mission statement, go beat the Europeans on their turf. I love it. Ford is coming in with that underdog energy, taking on the giants of European racing. So will Ford finally crack the sub 7-minute barrier? We're expecting to get some answers soon. Ford's also planning to release a documentary called Road to the Ring on their website and YouTube channel. This will give us an inside look at their quest to break the Nürburgring record and make motorsport history. All right, guys, that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments, do you think the Mustang GTD has what it takes to set a new Nürburgring record? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this epic story. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.